Hey everyone, it's Hannah here. I'm just touching base today to go through the new airflow kit that we've got. So I've got it all set up ready to go, and what I'll do is I'll just show you how it works with the pump on, and then we can go through the pieces bit by bit. So just give me a minute. Cool, so you can see with the new kit, see the vacuum works, has it opened there, and then you can see from the side as well. So that's the motion that's going to be drawing the milk from the breast here. So I'll just turn that off and I'll go through all the parts with you. So obviously your tubing pops into here, and then you've got your bottle. So this screws onto obviously the Milkbar bottles, as well as they'll fit your Advent and other bottles that you've been able to use. So your cap here comes undone, and you've got your valves. So the valves on these are a singular piece like that. Just a wee note on the valves that when you're cleaning them, and if you're opening them up, just make sure that once you've finished cleaning them that they do sit flush, and that you don't have any tearing or anything around there, because that can be a loss of suction, and that's across all the kits. And then from there you've got the back piece that comes across. So this piece in here will have no milk that comes into it, because obviously you've got your suction that comes through, and then this is the vacuum piece. So all parts again are 100% food grade liquid silicone. So this is the vacuum, or the piece that vacuums the breast, and then this is the rest of your kit. The silicone comes off here, so it seals just here as well as around the top. So these parts as well come together. So a few notes with the airflow kits is being really certain that you have centered the nipple into the center of the tunnel there. So I know it's a really short tunnel, so that's a little bit different to use, but ensuring that it is central so that you don't have any rubbing on this piece in here, just to make sure that obviously you don't have any damage to your nipples and stuff. And then when you put it together, so popping this piece in here, there is like a little, I don't know if you can see it, there is a little channel for it to sit in perfectly, and then that piece will clip on. So if you clip it in and on, and then depending on obviously how you pop it in, your tubing will come around. So make sure that that is all sealed around the edges, so easy to keep it really clean, and obviously it's really hygienic because you're not putting your fingers in, which is obviously really important. And then in here you'll obviously see that it all clicks together. Your valve just goes over the end there really simply, and then you've got your cap that you pop in as well. So I've been using it for about 4 months now with wee Hazel, and have found that I can do the sideline quite comfortably. It is a little bit easier if you are going to recline, is to lean forward like the rest of the kit, center your nipple into the tunnel, and then put it onto stimulation mode so that you start the suction, and then lean back. So just to make sure that you do get that central feeling. So yeah, that's basically the kit. If you've got any questions, please do touch base. We are obviously here to help you with them. We have found that they've been great because they are the non-touch design, so those with different sizing, they go up to 29 mil. Yeah, just let us know if you've got any questions, and we're more than happy to help.